This video is not even worth making, but I'm gonna make it anyways. These switches all work except this one. I'll see if it does it for me here. So yeah, see, hold on. See, I'm going up and it takes going down. It's not going down. Of course, now it's working just fine. There it is. So see how I've got it held, nothing's happening, and then I keep doing it, nothing's happening. There it goes. So we're gonna fix that by popping this guy out, and this is so easy. You can do it in the drive-through of In-N-Out or wherever you are. Pop these guys off. They just pop out by hand. You don't even need screwdrivers or anything. Again, I'm not even kidding. You could do this in the drive-through. Then you can see it's got these little clips here. I think 4 in total. Maybe some back there. Maybe that's one we have to do there. I'm not quite sure. If you grab your new one, see those same clips. And then we also have some recesses in here that probably correlate to areas that we need to pry as we push this out. You can see like that lines up with that, that lines up with that, that lines up with that. There's those 2 little clips that you can see there and there. So I think if I just slide my knife down in here, and I'm pushing pressure on the button side of the switch as I do this, it's starting to come out. There we go. Old one's out. New one pops in. Ah, just like that. Plug it back in because your food's probably almost ready. Another reference to doing this in the drive-thru in case you missed it. And test it real quick. Yeah, that seems like it works. Got that one. Got those 2. Window lock seems to be functional. So slide this guy back into place, pop it in, and you're done. This is the easiest Ford repair I've ever done, ever.